Good morning, guys. We are here at Ferrari of New England. We have a record-setting amount of vehicles. We are rallying to Dream Ride today. It's going to be a little over 2 hours. We are being escorted by Mass State Police, and then as soon as we get to Connecticut State Police is taking over, and they're bringing us straight to Dream Ride. So it's going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous day with all these gorgeous cars and the Kia. Guys, here we go. We are leaving Ferrari New England on our way to Dream Ride. Got a bunch of gorgeous cars here with us today. Oh baby. And we just had the driver's briefing. Ernie Bach Jr. is here too with us. So we have a stake hop here, we got a stake hop all the way up there. We're regrouping all the cars. It's just been a little bit of a nightmare so far, but hopefully this means we'll have a stake hop in the front, stake hop in the back the way it should be, so that all these people cannot be cutting us off, because people have been weaving in and out. That's why we have these stickers, so that people can't do that. And if anybody is in the rally that doesn't have this sticker, they get kicked out. So hopefully this is what that is. Hopefully this is what that is for. I don't know, guys. I'm like, my adrenaline's going a million miles an hour. Giving Chloe a heart attack because every time I drive and try to keep up or brake, he's like... I'm sorry. We're getting there. We're getting there. I promise you guys that right now. We're getting there. Here we go, ladies and gents. We have traffic blocked. And I'm the end of the line again. That's all right. No, it's not. That's all of us. We're looping around. Oh, I see. We have 80 plus cars, so... Oh, okay. All right. All right. This has got so much more interesting. Oh my god. I wish you guys could be here with us. Technically, you kind of are, but like, I mean, like, physically here. I'm a great driver. Yeah, we're not going to speak about anything that happened. We will speak a little bit. We're keeping it under 55, though. Always under 55. Always under 55. It might look like we're going a little fast, but we're not. Look it up. Guys, I apologize for the shakiness. This is all of us. This is the entire rally right here, plus the cars that we already went by. This is insane. Oh my god. Alright, so I slow down because the cops are up here. I know. Yes. Guys, there's well over 80 or 90 cars here. We don't know how many exactly, but the rally, it's still, like, the cars behind us is still a ways back, including the Connecticut State Police. Like, we don't know exactly how many cars are here. We just know it's huge. Ernie Bach Jr. is in that Rolls Royce right there. That's pretty cool. There's Chloe's head. Yeah, Chloe's head. Well, fellas, I guess you can say it. We made it. We are in a group of supercars. We are on the Dream Ride Fairgrounds. Everyone's giving us weird looks like, why are we here? But we don't even know. Well, we don't. Oh, that sucks. Stalled out his GT. We paid $50 to be in the rally. We donated to a great organization, so that's why we are here. We're going to be parking next to the R8, but as soon as we park up, we're going to get walking and enjoy the show. All right, guys, so as I said, we are here. I already spot Car Guys New England, Mercy over there, all the way from New Hampshire. Got the whole lineup of Paganis over here. I don't know where we're gonna start. It's so overwhelming, but it's so worth it. $15 million Pagani. Exposed carbon fibers on the F. Just a whole lineup of Zondas and Lyras. I know. Brand new Lyra Roadster BC. Nismo R35, R32, the legendary R34, another R35, and the cars continue. This show is absolutely huge this year. I apologize for the wind. What?
Look at the wheels of the Corvette.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I do apologize for the wind, guys. I don't have a wind muff yet. I am in the works of getting one. Guys, this is the world record holder. 277 miles an hour, Agera RS. Wow. Brand new Koenigsegg Jesko. Named after Christian von Koenigsegg's father. The King and Sparky's Koenigsegg Agera XS. Right alongside the Jesko.
Josh and Chloe are petting bunnies. Look at this.
Hey, Landon. We're done recording.
He's like, let me down.
You didn't hold him though.
I didn't.
You want to hold him?
Do it for the vlog.
Yeah, Rory.
He'll crawl right up into your chest. Good job, Lori. Thing one. Oh no, it's right. Oh my gosh, Lori, it's in the
Ferrari LaFerrari. Maserati MC12. 458 challenge car, strictly for track use. Ah, so cool. All brand new Tomaso P72. The interior is amazing. Once we get up there, guys, I'll show you the interior, but such a gorgeous car.
Look at that.
Alright guys, here we go, inside the P72.
The linkage underneath.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is insane.
Different path.
Oh my god, Connecticut plates. Oh, that is sick. Oh guys, this is what 277 miles an hour looks like. Can't really see it. See if I can get a zoom. Painfully slow zoom. I believe that's Christian's Koenigsegg on carbon fiber, right? Oh, there it is. Right there. I could be wrong, but I believe that's his. Alright, so unfortunately, Chloe and Rory are leaving soon. They have something else that they have to attend today. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. But before they leave, we're going to go show them the Tomaso P72. And then they have to head out. Me, Warren, Sam, and Ryan are going to be staying for a little while. Yeah, we're just going to keep on walking around and seeing all these good cars. Sorry you guys were just so close to my face. Did not notice that.
You guys get all the cameras. We already got
Beautiful paint on this P1. Currently sitting in race mode, the way you should do it. Batista. Guys, this car is incredible. We just heard the owner talking, and he says each wheel has the same power. Each wheel has the same power as a BMW M4. 1900 horsepower. All electric. He's the one lucky guy. I absolutely love the look of this car.
Can you rev it? How much are these? Like 14 million each?
This one's 15 million USD.
Right over the border. The guy wants 13 for it.
Is it a legit GTR?
Yeah, it's a Skyline. Or a 32 Skyline.
Hopefully. Come on. Oh, this is great. Legit, just a sea of people. Guys, look at everybody following. This is fantastic.
Come on now. So that's to a GTI yesterday and the top of the table was picking for it. We've been like staying all that time, like that.
Hey guys, just to give you an idea of how loud this car is, me and Warren were at the road watching all the cars leave. We heard Boop's McLaren revving from about a football field distance away, roughly, give or take. But the audio does not do this car justice whatsoever. Oh my God.
Ladies, take notice. All set move. All set move.
Oh my God. See a car that gets used? Right here. That's a car that gets used. The McLaren emblem is legitimately melting. Oh my god.
Damn, it's just the adhesive.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so after our ears bleeding from the 720 and the Audi RS, we're over here with the Speciale, the 599 XX, the two Ferrari LaFerraris, and the 488 Pista. Probably my all-time favorite Pista right here. Very, very nice car. But Warren and I are gonna go over and check out these Sennas. My ears are legit still ringing.
Yeah.
Like We were standing behind the, I was standing next to the 720, and even standing next to it, my ears felt like they were gonna blow. Insane, absolutely insane. But here we have the lineup of Sennas. He wasn't having it. There we have, guys, Big Bird, the brand new Wyra Roadster, owned by the King and Sparky on Instagram. They also own the Red BC down there and the Gara XS down there as well. We're gonna try to get a walk around of this vehicle here in a little bit. Well, guys, my day is absolutely complete. My life is absolutely complete. Just sat in the world record holding Koenigsegg 277 miles an hour. I didn't take a video sitting in it, but I did take a couple pictures. I'll put those pictures right here. I'm like, I'm legit shaking right now. No, I will never experience that again. I cannot believe I just sat in a Koenigsegg Gara RS. Wow. DB110 SS. Back in the EV10, oh my god, I keep saying that, EV110 SS. And the Koenigsegg RS is coming right now. I'm going to get her loading up into the trailer.
Sparky! Rev it! Rev it!
Well guys, in the words of Stradman, once it's gone, it's gone.
Huh?
Look at what Boop has started. Oh my god. Waited about an hour and a half, maybe, for the cold start of the 599XX. so we were literally waiting for the 599XX to start, which we got. We were also waiting for the HP Barchetta to start. And we were wondering, hey, where's the HP Barchetta? Because it's not over there where the Paganis were. I saw the back end of the Zonda, of a Zonda sticking out. I can almost guarantee you the HP Barchetta is in one of these trailers. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but the HP Barchetta is in front of the Chiron Zonda F right here. The Tomaso P72 legendary car. Zonda C12. And the 458 challenge car is right behind that. I cannot believe we missed the HP Barchetta. They duped us. They 100% duped us. However, the Wyra PC Roadster is right there. Heading on out. Once it's gone, it's gone. Alright guys, obviously as you can see, we're in the car. The 458 Special is heading out. What a day. I literally have like no words. Between sitting in the Agera RS, we just heard the 599XX start up. Yeah, it was wild. Surprisingly though, we didn't have a whole lot of accelerations at the road. We did get a few, but we didn't get as many as we have last year. I'll put a card to the video up in the top corner, or a link in the description, very top of the description. Not gonna end it here. We are gonna be heading out though, so we can get some drinks and get home. We're gonna be home around probably 7:30 because we do have about a 3-hour drive. So stick around guys, I'll see you back at the house. Alright guys, as you can see, I am finally home. I just dropped Warren off. Hey, I got it right this time. I usually confuse their names. I just dropped Warren off. Chloe and Rory are out with Chance and Shay. What a day is really all I can say. What a day. I'm still in disbelief that I sat in the Agera RS that holds the land speed record of 277.9. I got it wrong earlier. 277.9 miles an hour. It was for literally a handful of seconds, but I can't be any more grateful to have been able to sit in that car. That is now up to date the most expensive car I've ever sat in. I got a ride in an Aventador SV a couple or a few years ago. I don't know which one it is. Too tired to think as usual. But I'm gonna make this short. I'm tired. I'm gonna go shower, get ready for work tomorrow. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed, go subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Unfortunately, car season is kind of coming to an end, so we're gonna have to switch up the content a little bit. I hope you guys don't mind that. Otherwise, there really is no content, to be quite honest. So yeah, subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell icon next to subscribe button, because you guys may not get my new uploads. For some reason, YouTube is having trouble or having problems with notifying you guys of my new uploads, or any other YouTubers' uploads for that matter. So click that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys thought of Dream Ride this year, whether you were there or you're seeing it through my video or other people's videos. Just let me know what you guys think of Dream Ride. I think this year was pretty awesome. Unfortunately, the Apollo IE was not in attendance. It was confirmed and then it was unconfirmed. They said that there were complications. No big deal. Kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, so like, subscribe, comment down below. If you do subscribe, I will give you a subscriber shout out. This week's subscriber shout outs go to Ashley Tibbetts. Thank you so much for subscribing, Ashley. I've known Ashley for a long time, a pretty long time. Thank you again. Ross Mazin, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Sorry I missed you today. Everything was just all jumbled up. And XX Brig, I will leave pictures of you guys' profiles somewhere on the screen over here. I don't know where. If you want that done to you, hit that subscribe button. Make sure your account is not private. We'll see you guys next time.